Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford Transit 350. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by the 3.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a heavy-duty trailer tow package, as well as the Upfitter Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, you get a backup camera up there, we do get rear opening doors. They are split opening, so that's pretty cool. You can open one at a time or both, totally up to you. We got this vinyl floor interior, plenty of hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You can really customize this vehicle however you like. We do get rear lighting in the back, which is pretty handy for all your necessities, and we do get a sliding rear door as well. And continue our look at the outside here. We do get some nice black accents along this vehicle. We do get a keyless entry keypad. You do get a code with it. Long arm trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection. You do get lights on the side here. Front park sensing, side view cameras as well, before I forget. Front view camera, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to two pretty comfortably. We do have this gray and black cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, which is pretty nice. Powered locks, windows, powered mirrors, lights, parking brake, auto stop, auto start, and tons of storage. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 61 kilometers. We do get this vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer, speed limit warnings, and my view, trip and feel, status info, towing, vehicle maintenance, trip, audio, phone, navigation, and other settings. To mirror, we got our gear select, your speeds, trailer brake, 4 upfitter switches. We do get a nice little walkway to get to the back here, which is pretty handy. Cup holder, storage, USB, and a 12-volt, and hazards. Storage below. We do get tons of storage on the dash, as well as above your head. Pretty handy, and you can turn on your back bed lights, or cab lights, which is pretty nice. You can turn them off as well. They will slowly turn off. And looking at our main screen here, we have navigation, audio, phone, settings, features, and apps with all your climate controls at the bottom. For your navigation, pretty easy to use. Got search, recents, all that jazz. Oh, come on, girl. Favorites, all that jazz. You can have your audio open at the same time, which is pretty handy. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Phone, settings, pretty easy to use, straightforward. Features of the vehicle such as, come on girl, driving assist, towing, record feedback, drive modes, and any apps you may download show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KA25622, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.